Are you overwhelmed trying to pick a CNC router that won't break the bank or your workflow? Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through a fun, practical lineup that makes beginner setups feel doable. Today, I'm going to be going over the best CNC routers for beginners that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the FoxAlien Masuter Pro, a beginner-friendly CNC router designed to balance ease of use with solid performative capability. From unboxing to initial setup, the device conveys a friendly learning curve with clear instructions and accessible software that welcomes first-time CNC makers. Its compact footprint and low maintenance requirements position it squarely for hobbyists, educators, and small workshop owners seeking reliable entry-level machining capabilities. While not an industrial-grade workhorse, the Masuter Pro delivers an impressive feature set for the price with a generous work area and safety considerations. Constructed with a sturdy aluminum frame and reinforced gantry, this model feels solid and inspires confidence during fast tool changes and material handling. It occupies a compact footprint that measures roughly 330 by 210 millimeters of work area, enabling operation on small benches or shared workspace surfaces. Tool mounting is standardized with a fan-helpful V-slot gantry and T-slot bed, while cable management remains clean, minimizing snags and improving overall aesthetic fidelity. Equipped with a reliable stepper motor set and a compatible collet system, it supports a range of bit sizes while maintaining steady RPM under load. A standout feature is automatic tool zeroing and homing routines that simplify setup, along with a front-mounted dust boot that captures debris. It performs accurate pocketing and engraving with advertised step resolution and repeatability, enabling consistent results across soft woods, plastics, and aluminum test runs. During real-world cuts, the device maintains steady spindle performance and produces clean edges on soft woods with minimal chatter at appropriate feeds. Power is sufficient for small aluminum work and plastics, though it remains a limitation for heavy-duty production cycles that demand higher torque. Compared with the popular Shapeoko-style machines, this model offers a friendlier price and quicker setup, though its work area remains more compact. The pros include affordable price, beginner-friendly software, and sturdy construction. The cons include limited expansion options and no enclosed enclosure. At number 4, we have the SainSmart 318 Pro V2. From the moment you unbox it, the compact machine exudes practicality, signaling a target audience of beginners and hobbyists seeking reliable starter capabilities. Its approachable price, clear upgrade options, and vibrant community support collectively position it as an inviting gateway for education, makerspaces, and home workshops. The frame blends a robust aluminum chassis with precision machine components, delivering torsional stiffness that minimizes chatter during high-speed plunges and intricate contouring. A redesigned gantry supports smoother Z-axis movements, reducing deflection under load and improving repeatability when multiple passes are required for clean, accurate results. With a compact footprint and standardized mounting holes, it fits neatly on crowded benches while preserving space for a reliable spoilboard setup. GRBL-based control keeps operations approachable, while the option for offline control allows standalone milling without a connected PC, enhancing workflow flexibility. Standout features include a user-friendly control interface, a durable spindle mount, and simple belt drives that balance speed with precision for various materials. The kit includes adjustable clamps, a reusable spoilboard, a collet set, and safety guards that encourage safe operation during learning curves and frequent part changes. In hands-on tests, it handles soft woods and plastics with crisp edges, delivering consistent surface finish and minimal tool deflection under moderate feeds. When combining multiple passes, operator technique matters, but with proper zeroing, dust control, and clamping, repeatable results emerge that encourage ongoing projects. Noise and resonance stay within comfortable ranges for beginners, yet a solid mount and low vibration routines significantly improve the finish on ambitious commitments. Compared to the X-Carve clone, this model offers a smaller footprint, broader accessory compatibility, and faster setup aside from more approachable maintenance. The pros include compact footprint for small workspaces, affordable upgrade path with broad accessory support, and extensive community support from forums and vendor updates. The cons include limited spindle power for metals and a steeper learning curve for precise machining when beginners lack consistent calibration discipline. At number 3, we have the Genmitsu 30118 PRO. For hobbyists and small workshop makers, this compact CNC router offers an approachable entry point into desktop milling with a surprisingly capable core. Designed for beginners learning CNC concepts, it also attracts seasoned hobbyists seeking a low-cost upgrade for first projects, prototypes, and light material testing. The Genmitsu 30118 Pro sports a rigid aluminum frame with a compact gantry, balancing weight and rigidity to reduce flex during precise tool paths. Its footprint stays manageable on a typical desk while offering a respectable working area of about 300 x 100 x 180 millimeters. Quality of the build extends to the linear rails and belt system, which feel smooth under light loads and show minimal play after short calibration. Assembling requires basic hand tools with accessible belt tension adjustments and a simple wasteboard setup that supports stable clamping for repeatable cuts. A standout feature is the belt-driven X and Y axes that minimize backlash while offering smoother motion at typical hobby cutting speeds. The Z-axis uses a robust micrometer-style approach with adjustable limits, and a standard wasteboard enables easy clamping of material. The system ships with beginner-friendly software integration and clear assembly instructions that reduce setting up time and get projects running quickly. In testing, soft woods carve cleanly at moderate feed rates with pleasant surface finishes and minimal chatter on flat stock. When pushing harder materials, operators report slower speeds and increased heat, underscoring the need for proper feeds, speeds, and appropriate bit selection. Compared to the Genmitsu 318 Pro, this model offers a smaller footprint and simpler setup, while the Pro emphasizes upgrades and a larger work envelope. The pros include affordable price, easy assembly, and sturdy aluminum frame. The cons include limited spindle power and small. At number 2, we have the FoxAlien Masuter 3S. From the moment you unbox it, the FoxAlien Masuter 3s presents a compact, approachable choice for hobbyists seeking safe, entry-level CNC capabilities. Its user interface, robust documentation, and open platform make it ideal for beginners transitioning toward more ambitious projects with confidence. The chassis features a sturdy aluminum frame and precise linear rails that promise dependable performance while maintaining a surprisingly light overall weight. Its compact footprint measures roughly 25 by 18 by 18 centimeters, delivering a versatile fit for small workshops, desks, or dedicated hobby tables. The assembly is straightforward, with clearly labeled parts and modular components that reduce downtime while enabling easy upgrades and customization. Under the hood, a 24-volt drive system powers the spindle, delivering adequate torque for soft woods and plastics without excessive heat. It supports standard GRBL-based control with a familiar software suite, ensuring quick setup for projects ranging from signage to small furniture. A precision lead screw and optimized couplings help minimize backlash, while a dust collection port keeps the workspace cleaner during longer sessions. During bench tests, the Masuter 3s maintain consistent cuts on birch and poplar at moderate feed rates with minimal chatter. In longer runs, thermal buildup remained manageable thanks to efficient ventilation and conservative spindle duty cycles, preserving tool life and material integrity. Noise levels stayed within comfortable ranges for a home workshop, allowing conversation without shouting during multi-hour engraving sessions at typical desk distances. When compared to the longer established X-Carve Mini, the FoxAlien Masuter 3s offers a tighter price-to-performance ratio and simpler setup. The pros include excellent beginner-friendly setup, a remarkably compact footprint that fits tight spaces, and a rigid aluminum frame that resists flex under load. The cons include a limited work envelope that constrains larger projects and a comparatively modest spindle speed which may hinder aggressive materials and finishes. At number 1, we have the FoxAlien XE-PRO. Initial impression. The FoxAlien XE-PRO arrives in a sturdy metal case with smart cable management and accessible tool storage, instantly signaling pro-grade intent. For beginners transitioning from hobbyist machines, the XE-PRO promises forgiving setup, clear calibration steps, and comprehensive safety features that reduce stumble points. Advanced hobbyists will appreciate the capable power, expansive accessory ecosystem, and responsive support community that makes experimenting with new materials feel approachable. Construction relies on precision machine components and a rigid frame, which minimizes resonance and yields consistent bit engagement during demanding material removals. The overall footprint measures a compact but sturdy workstation width, with integrated cable channels and optimized belt routing that keep clutter to a minimum. A thoughtfully chamfered edge profile and smooth touches on the hand grips contribute to a confident handling experience when tool changes and transport are required. Motor performance translates to a robust spindle drive delivering ample torque across aluminum, acrylic, and wood, with temperature management that preserves precision through extended sessions. Precise electronics enable micro-stepping, soft start, and ramping features that reduce tool wear while maintaining smooth surface finishes during intricate pocketing patterns. The spindle is rated for continuous operation and features a quiet, brushless controller, which minimizes noise complaints and supports longer daily production runs. In practical routing tests, the XE-PRO rushed through hobbyist projects with clean edges, consistent depth, and dependable repeatability across multiple material sheets. During aluminum milling, it held tolerances within a few thousandths of an inch and showed predictable chatter management when fed at optimized speeds. Long sessions revealed modest thermal buildup, but aggressive chip evacuation and fan cooling kept temperatures stable enough to avoid noticeable drift. In practice, the XE-PRO competes favorably against many budget CNC routers thanks to its sturdy construction and predictable performance across common materials. Its quick setup, tool zeroing tech, and modular clamping system reduce ramp-up time, letting makers focus on creative exploration. In a direct comparison with the Shipyoko 4, the XE-PRO delivers competitive cutting performance while offering easier assembly and a significantly friendlier price. The pros include excellent rigidity and durability, a highly approachable price point for enthusiasts, and a wide accessory ecosystem that expands capabilities. The cons include relatively modest work area for large-scale projects and a steeper learning curve for complete beginners adjusting to advanced toolpaths.